You know what I did? Oh dear me, did you see in the video I pressed the button, this button, and I disconnected the video? So the same phone. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry that I just messed it up. It was very good video going, and then I disconnected it. So it's the same phone. We worked on the signal baseband chip with a U1 V1 jumper, and I was going to get the Vodafone SIM. I got a SIM and I was talking and recording and every sort of thing, and the phone went in activation. Phone got activated and put the SIM card in. We got a signal. Phone says, oh, where are we? Yeah, so we are back to normal. Vodafone UK. Let's make a phone call. Cancel. Let's make a phone call. 2345 customer service Vodafone.
Hello, and thank you for calling Vodafone. You have a total of
This
no
phone
text
is working
and
fine. Okay, with the signal.
no minutes.
This is the number 6th phone we did since Friday. No signal. Searching done. Another successful repair. I'm sorry, there's gonna be two part of this video. Well, in the meantime, if we are here, I'm gonna show you the iPhone 7 that we did before. It was no power. Okay, that's the one. No power. Done check. Short removed. That's the power, and it's 37% charge. I didn't charge it, so I left it in front of my colleague. They're gonna close it. This phone is done as well. So far so good. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm gonna make some more videos, and hopefully you will subscribe. And if you have any devices with the signal issues, do send it to us and we will happily fix them. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Do subscribe our channel though. Bye bye.